The idiom strong suit refers to a person's area of expertise or something they excel at. It originates from the world of playing cards, where a suit represents a category of cards, like hearts or spades. When someone says that something is their strong suit, they're essentially saying that it's a card they play well, or in other words, a skill or talent they possess. For example, let's say you have a friend who is an incredible cook. Whenever you gather for a dinner party, everyone raves about their culinary skills. You might say, cooking is definitely her strong suit. It highlights her talent and suggests that she shines in the kitchen, making delicious meals that impress everyone. Another example could be in the workplace. Imagine a colleague who is fantastic at public speaking. Whenever there's a presentation or a meeting, they take the lead, captivating the audience with their confidence and clarity. You might say, public speaking is his strong suit. This emphasizes that he has a natural ability in that area, making him a valuable asset during presentations. It's interesting to think about how we all have our own strong suits. For instance, I've always found that my strong suit is storytelling. Whether it's writing or speaking, I love weaving narratives that engage people. It's something I've honed over the years, and I feel most confident when I'm sharing a story. On the flip side, we all have areas that aren't our strong suits. Maybe math isn't your thing, and you struggle with numbers. You could say, math is not my strong suit. This doesn't mean you can't improve, but it acknowledges that it's an area where you might need extra help or practice. Recognizing our strong suits can be empowering. It allows us to focus on what we do best and leverage those skills in various aspects of our lives. Whether it's in our careers, hobbies, or personal relationships, knowing our strengths can guide us in making decisions that align with our abilities. It's also worth noting that strong suits can change over time. As we grow and learn, we might discover new talents or develop skills we didn't know we had. For instance, someone who was once shy about their artistic abilities might find that painting becomes their strong suit later in life. In conclusion, the idiom strong suit encapsulates the idea of recognizing and embracing our strengths. It encourages us to play to our advantages while also being aware of our limitations. So, the next time you think about your own skills or those of others, remember to identify and celebrate those strong suits. They're what make us unique and capable in our own ways.